Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the confusing yet exciting update about upcoming Nvidia GeForce RTX 5050, including release date, drama, performance leaks, and surprise full mark test from PALIT. Let's break it down everything. According to the press slide, the RTX 5050 will technically go on sale on July 1, but most brand partners like ASUS, Gigabyte, MSI may not have the card ready to ship until mid-June. This is confirmed on Nvidia's official global site, which says coming second half of July. But here is the twist. Chinese media noticed that the GeForce Chinese website does not mention the delay at all, so it looks like China might actually get the card earlier than everyone else. Honestly, I think Nvidia is trying to play it safe after all the GPU stock issue we have seen in the past few years. But this kind of mixed messaging just adds more confusing for gamers who are waiting to buy. Now, let's go to the PALIT RTX 5050 already appear in Furmark benchmark test. This is one of those tests used by manufacturer to test GPU's cooling system, not necessarily its gaming power. Here's what we know. It used 2560 CUDA cores, boost up to around 2940 MHz, has 130 watt TDP, which is higher than the laptop version, identically as GB207, confirming its desktop chip. It is core 1978 point in Furmark at 2160p/4K. Now keep in mind, this is not a 4K gaming GPU. It's more a budget 1080p card. Testing it at 4K is just for thermal evaluation. Based on the benchmark, RTX 5050 is looking like it's going to be performed similar to a GTX 1070 Ti and RTX 2060, which isn't bad if the price is right. But Nvidia better be careful. People want value, not just a fancy number on the box. What do you think about the RTX 5050 so far? Will it be worth it buying? Let me know in the comment below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoy GPU news and tech update like this. Thank you.